3. Oh, yo, this looks really good. Yo, so this is called tinted matte bronze, right? Tinted satin bronze?
Matte.
Tinted matte bronze. So this is really cool. Come closer, you can see this. So
Two-tone.
It's a two-tone finish, right? I like how Vossen keeps incorporating two-tone finishes now. So you have the satin bronze out here and the edges and the windows, but in the middle it's machined, but it's bronze machined.
Yeah, it's hard to pick up, but it has a nice fine texture to it.
Yeah, like I think this is the key. I think this is the key to finishing a wheel that's really big and kind of it's not boring, but just there isn't as much detail as a mesh wheel. It's to do a two-tone finish.
I agree.
This is sick, dude. Oh, thank you, sir. Is this your center cap too?
No, I have the sport billet.
Oh, that's right, that's right. That looks really good.
It's a good looking center cap.
Boom!
No!
Really?
No. No. No.
That's definitely not it. Hold on, don't tell me. I got it right.
Dog.
Boom, right there, right there. That has to be it. Oh, yes.
It's still too far this way. I call that a win.
This is probably the cleanest and the nicest looking solid 6-spoke design for the price. Design-wise, this is probably one of the nicest looking 6-spokes.
Really? You think so?
Oh, for sure. You don't think so?
Oh, I do.
I mean, like, we're just talking about design.
Yeah.
Not talking about construction, not talking about pricing, nothing.
Okay.
Not even talking about finish.
Okay.
Just design alone. I like the cutouts here.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
true.
Like, a lot of people, they don't do this. Like, right here,
Yeah.
this part here is just material.
That's true.
They cut this out. You don't notice things like that, but it affects the whole aesthetics of the wheel.
You know, it has everything and nothing to do with the wheel. Because it is a 6-lug, I like how it all lines up.
You know what's funny? A lot of people say that. They're like, I don't want to get a 6-spoke wheel because I don't have 6 lugs. I'm like, damn, I don't really notice that.
Yeah.
I see that, though. I get it. But, like, look at the cutouts. It goes here, and it dips in. Here, there's an edge here, edge here. This is not a spaceship, bro. Wait.
I'm gay.
Oh, and then my OCD test, I look to see if the inner barrel is finished.
And if it's not finished, you cut the clip out?
No, I'll call him out on it.
Oh, this is nice too, because this is all one solid color.
What do you mean?
Nice.
It shouldn't be one solid color.
That's what I mean. It's like it's finished. Because we've had some wheels from people where like it's a black wheel and it's all like black and bare.
Inside is finished too.
That's dope. That's dope. And I like they go with a little bit glossier finish in here, which is gonna be easier to clean the brake dust in the hard to reach areas.
It's the same finish as this though. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know what I mean though, huh?
Yeah, I noticed that. This is a third bronze finish.
Yeah.
It's not the same as the middle. It's not the same on the sides. It's a
And it
third
might have to do with because it's lighter in the shadow, it's gonna match.